Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we are trying Starbucks' new drink, the pistachio latte. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. If you guys like me, it does help. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Recently, Starbucks came out with a new drink. It is the pistachio latte. This also comes in a frappuccino form. I did get a tall. So this pistachio latte, Starbucks claims the cozy flavors of sweet pistachio and rich brown butter paired with espresso and steamed milk, specially crafted to keep you comforted and energized in the new year.
So basically, it's a New Year drink, mama.
This is the best I came up with for New Year's. But what's very appetizing to me is that it's oh, it all melted. That it's supposed to be brown butter, and I opened it a little while ago, and there was brown butter whipped cream. But yeah, not anymore. Let's go ahead and try it. Mildly nutty. It's definitely hot, that's for sure. I don't taste the brown butter anymore. I taste more of the milk than the brown butter. So I'm gonna give this drink it's kind of hot. I'm gonna give this drink a, honestly, I don't think I'll ever buy this again in my life, a 5, maybe like a 6 out of 10. It's okay, it's not horrendous, but definitely something I would not get again. It's very mildly nutty. You don't really taste the pistachio as much, it's very light. Maybe if I get a couple more pumps of the actual pistachio flavoring, you could taste it, but anyways, since that wasn't fire, let me put you guys on something that is fire, okay? So I created this drink right here. It's basically a grande coffee frappuccino with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup, 2 extra pumps of dark roast because 3 already comes in here, and then I also added whipped topping. You guys will thank me later. Give this a try. It's fire. That is all for my video. I kept it really simple and short for you guys. Tune in at the end of this week for another one. And also shout out to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you guys did like this video. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.